What's going on, guys? I'm Zach. Welcome to Bros Reactor 151. You know the deal, guys. House next to the building. It is what it is, so is it. Thank you very much. Cassie. That's Cat. Cassie. Cat is Cassie. Do you know what I mean? Cat of the Cassie. Yeah, but we hope you keep it well. We hope you stay safe. We hope you've enjoyed the videos and say, yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, but yeah, but
We're Scooby-Doo.
Do you know what I mean, kid? Also to react to Ronnie Milsap live in Branson, Smokey Mountain Rain. Wow, we're in the Smokey Mountain Rain, lad. Get your oxygen mask on, yeah, and make sure you got no oxygen in. We'll leave the official link down below in the description. Make sure you support the official video, guys. Remember, guys, support the channel, help channel build. You can always hit that donation to that, go for me or to that PayPal. All links to that will be down below in the description. If you want any special request, hit that donation. We make a priority and get it to you as soon as possible. We hope you enjoy it. Lego.
First time, I've never listened to this, man.
A thumb away from LA back to Knoxville, I found out those bright lights ain't where I belong. From a phone booth in the rain, I called to tell her I've had a change of dreams, I'm coming home. But tears fill.
Oh, he sounds great, lad.
Nice.
Already.
Lad, we've never heard of him before, innit? Nice.
From a phone booth in the rain, I called to tell her I've had a change of dreams, I'm coming home. But tears filled my eyes when I found out she was gone. Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling.
Sounds amazing, lad.
I'm feeling him, mate. Ronnie Milsap. Wow. Let us know, like, if you're still carrying on with the music, if you're still around and all that good stuff, because, mate, this is great.
Go on. Hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain. I waved a diesel down outside a cafe. He said that he was going as far as Gatlinburg. Oh, I climbed up in the cab all wet and cold and lonely. I wiped my eyes and told him about her. I've got to find her. Can you make these big wheels burn? Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling.
Smoky Mountain keeps rolling.
We need to go and check that Smoky Mountain.
It keeps raining.
Because she's there. Excuse me. Lego.
Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling. Her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She
getting excited. I was going to sing along. My nursery little Ronnie.
I need someone warm to hug. Feel the rain running down my face. I'll find her no matter what it takes. Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. Smoky Mountain rain, I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain.
Wow, this was great song.
I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain.
This was the jam. This was definitely the jam, mate.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Man,
Jam and butter.
we hope you enjoyed it. We thank you for watching. Until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.